Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to insert SIM cards on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's get started. So, unfortunately today I have only one SIM card, but I can still show you how to do it. So, as a first step, we would need to take this pin, which comes with this device. Here is it how it looks. Then, as a next step, turn off your phone and take a look on the charging port at the bottom part of your phone. As you can see, here we got this little SIM card slot with a hole on it. So, to take it off, we would need to put this pin into this little hole and slowly push it until the SIM slot will get out like this. Then take your nails and slowly take it out. So, now we can take a look on the SIM slot by itself. As you can see, here is it how it looks. On one side we got SIM 1 and on the second SIM 2. It doesn't matter on which side you will put your SIM card if you have only one. So, let's take a look on it. As you can see on this little drawing on the SIM 1, we can see that on this upper right corner we have the cut corner, which we can see on our SIM card also. Here is it how it looks. And that means with this cut corner we would need to put it on this SIM slot, just like this. In my situation, the first SIM slot isn't fixing the SIM card properly. As you can see, it can easily fall out. So let's take a look on the second one. Here we got the absolute same drawing with the cut corner on the same side, and by putting the SIM card into this slot, it will be fixed more properly. Let me show you. So, let's leave this SIM card on the second slot, and if you have two SIM cards, you can put the second one on this side, and after this we would need to insert the SIM slot back to our phone. So, let's take a look on it. Also pay attention where is the hole located, so we can put the SIM slot back right. As you can see, I got the hole on the SIM slot on the right side, and the hole on the phone is also on the right side, which means we are putting the slot right. So push it in, and this is it. Now you have successfully inserted your SIM card or SIM cards. And now when you will unlock your phone, you would be required to enter the SIM card PIN code. Then click OK, and here is it. After this, we can go to the settings, connection, and then SIM manager. After this, on the SIM manager, if you have two SIM cards, you'll be able to choose preferred SIMs for calls, messages, and also mobile data. As you can see, currently I have only one SIM card, and I'm able to edit only the mobile data from SIM 2 to turn it off. Here is it how it works. Here you can also find some more SIM settings, and here we can also see our service provider and mobile networks, where we can switch to 5G. And this is it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.